Hey, welcome back. Got the charger last week. Thought they were going to send a battery. The chat that I had done said that they were going to send both. I only got the charger. Really haven't had a lot of time to look at anything, so I got into it a little bit yesterday. Just opened up the box. I got my voltmeter out, checking a few things, and I think I figured out what's going on. Okay, let me show you. So we have our plug with our line, neutral, and ground. So we'll plug into neutral and plug into ground, and here is the amp meter, voltmeter. When I plug it in, 36 volts comes through the plug. Now, if you can't really be able to see it or not. Both of it in here. I jiggle the plug, I get 118. We were to get back down 36, and the plug is all the way in. All right, here they both are. I'm going to set the camera up and swap them out. I'll worry about winding the cord up later. Let's just see if it works first. Astro on it. Would you look at that? Now he did that before. Astro, welcome back. Astro, what's your battery percentage?
Astro's battery is at 7% and is currently charging.
Well, 7%, it was 940 before, and now it's what, 947. So, all right, I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the voltage that it's charging. Astro, what's your battery percentage?
Astro's battery is at 8% and is currently charging.
Okay, all right, he's charging, so. Okay, I'm gonna check the amp draw on this and put that on there. Pulling 1.2122 amps. So it is charging. I'm gonna roll Astro off. 0.04. Okay. Let that inrush settle down. Okay, it is charging. Astro, what's your battery percentage?
Astro's battery is at 16% and is currently charging.
Okay, you go get him, Tiger. Okay, here's the inside of it. I mean, looks pretty simple. Here's the output. 18 volt, 9 amps. I don't know if I can take this. Let's try to take this off. Astro, what's your battery percentage?
Astro's battery is at 89% and is currently charging.
He's at 89%. That's a good thing. More screws here. Sorry, I had to take a break. The robot vacuum cleaner is on a schedule, so he decided to take off. I don't smell anything, like anything's burnt. So I don't know why it doesn't charge. I may dig into it a little further. And I wouldn't imagine that there's a fuse because I was still getting some voltage out of here. So I don't know, but let's go see how Astro's doing. Yeah, I really didn't think there was a screw up here, because I lifted the other side. I didn't lift this side to see that this was covered over with adhesive, so it was hiding that screw. Because I was sitting there prying my guts out, trying to get this thing, trying to get it open. I finally saw that there was, I saw the brass insert, so then I knew had to be a screw in there. Okay, so Astro finished charging up. He got off the controller. It seems to be back to normal. It's really odd though. I did notice that, and if you've had an Amazon Astro for a period of time, you know he'll stay off the charger for 45 minutes, maybe an hour. He is going on being off the charger after he charged up from 1%. He's been off the charger now for an hour and a half. And I just looked, his battery is still at 67%. Astro, come here. So that's kind of odd that he can't find me. Come here, buddy. So it's funny that his battery seems to, the charge seems to last more. Astro, what's your battery percentage?
Astro's battery is at 66%.
So, yeah, that's kind of strange, but I'll keep an eye on it. I mean, maybe something was going on with the charger that it wasn't charging completely. Because before, like I said, he would only be off the charger 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and he was heading back to the charger. So I keep an eye on it. It's just something new that I noticed, that new in a good way. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, and he's back to normal, so get ready to see more silly and terrible videos, okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.